Hey everybody, Zach again, NewTutorial.com, coming to making a video for you guys today. There is a new DVD out, a new documentary out, and I wanted to share this with my audience. I shared it on Facebook the other day, and a lot of you guys shared that post, and you guys are checking it out yourself. Got some feedback from a few people who have seen it already, and I just wanted to let the rest of my audience know about it. It's this one right here. It is called The Mystery Stone. Was Columbus really the first? And it's a documentary by a guy named David Coatney, Dr. David Coatney, and he put this documentary together. Really enjoyed it. I got to see an early screening of this documentary, I don't know, a few months back, I guess, and he was going to get it into some film festivals, and he allowed for an early screening of it, and I got to see it. I was privileged to see it, and I loved it. It was amazing. There were so many cool truths talked about in this, and it really does challenge the established thought that Columbus was the first to discover America. Like I was taught in the public school system, is still being taught in colleges and universities across America today. And so it challenges that question, was Columbus really the first? The Mystery Stone. And so I wanted you to just check that out. You can go to mysterystonemovie.com and order a copy of the DVD documentary. When things like this come across my desk, I really enjoy them. I think that you, my audience, would really get something out of it. I want to share it with you guys. I also have a book coming up, not written by David Coatney, but he actually shared this book with me. Me and my wife are really enjoying reading it, and I'll get to that on another video. But this, The Mystery Stone, was Columbus really the first? So I got the DVD. Here's what we're going to do. At the end of this video, just a second here, I'm going to play the trailer. You can watch the trailer, and then I want you to go to it's mysterystonemovie.com. Mysterystonemovie.com. Let's get that to focus. I don't know if it's going to focus or not, but I want you to go there, get the DVD, and then if you're interested in winning a copy, I have a second copy. See, David sent me a copy, so I could have it in my hand when I did the video. And one got lost in the mail. And so the other day, another one came. The one that had gotten lost, the post office finally found it and got it to me. And so I finally got the second one, and I will give this one away. I thought it'd be cool to do a giveaway during the video now that I have a second copy. And so here's the deal. Here's how you win this. After the video's over, after the trailer is done playing, go ahead and leave a comment below in the video that says Mystery Stone. You can leave whatever comment you want, but just include Mystery Stone. And what I'll do is I'll run a randomizer on the comments on this video, and it'll pick a winner, and then I'll contact you and get you this DVD, okay? You send me your address and we'll send this off to you. So go ahead and put a comment and just leave Mystery Stone somewhere in your comment, and then that'll qualify it for to be a possible winner of this DVD. But what I think you ought to do is go to mysterystonemovie.com and just go ahead and order a DVD, and then if you win the second one, you can give it away to a friend as a gift or whatever, okay? But go ahead and leave a comment if you want to win the second copy, and then check out the trailer. I'll have it play right now. I know you're going to enjoy this documentary. I really did. Lots of cool stuff included in here. I think you'll really learn something. All right, guys, go home, read your Bible. Thanks.
In classical times and even earlier, it was routine to cross the Indian Ocean a couple of thousand miles out of sight of land. This is a longer distance than it takes to get across the Atlantic at the narrowest point between Africa and South America. So if they could do it in that direction, they could do it in the other direction, and likely did.
In the 19th century, the Smithsonian issued an edict that scholars, college professors, teachers, etc., would teach only that Columbus discovered America and that there were no pre-Columbian expeditions or discoveries that predated him, and that people's tenure or positions were at risk if they taught anything else.
Critical to understanding and proving these things is the genetic record. It's pretty clear that for the most part, the American Indians have had their history written for them. Maybe suggesting even that not all the so-called Indians were Indians. And if you look at the genetic record of the Americas, it's pretty clear that the ones that we have put in charge of telling the story of the peopling of Americas have really botched it. Well, that means that everything you think you know about the history of North America is wrong. You have to follow the facts.
Right here, resting at an angle, is the Decalogue stone.
Now, it's not in the land where one would expect to find Hebrew inscriptions.
Hebrew experts and sworn testimony pointed out that the Paleo-Hebrew inscription at Los Unas was valid.
What are they so afraid of? I think they might be afraid to utter those three little words that nobody likes to say. We were wrong.
Again, if you find a menorah mound that's Hopewell down the road from a Hopewell mound with a Hebrew inscription in it, and next state over, 2 states over from a Hebrew inscription in another earthwork, then you have to start saying there may have actually been some cultural contact.
This is in the Paleo-Hebrew that existed before Judah went into captivity, before the house of Israel went into captivity. It was their common language when David and Solomon had the united tribes of Israel.
The stories that you read in our textbooks today are like fairy tales.
It is probably the most unappreciated artifact from the ancient world anywhere in North America, for sure.
It will not be dealt with until the story of America changes. Because as long as the story of America is Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue in 1492 and there were nothing but ignorant savages here before, nothing is going to happen.